Anong password ng Wi-Fi nyo? Hello Clash Nations! I am Justin Jeric and Herradura at ang gagawin nating challenge for today is ang One Phrase Song Challenge. 17. Ang napunta sa aking phrase ay, this opportunity is maybe for you. This opportunity is maybe for you. 7. Ang next phrase ay, kalma ka lang. Kumalma ka lang. 18. Ang next phrase ay, okay na to. Okay na to. Number 20. Next phrase ay, Mars, baka naman. Mars, 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 baka naman. 5. Ang next phrase ay, anong password ng Wi-Fi nyo? Anong password ng Wi-Fi nyo? Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa challenge na to. Again, this is Justin Jeric and Herradura, and supportahan niyo ako sa The Clash Teams.